Because
I don't want to record my thing.
Have you done yours?
Yeah, some of it.
Why don't you just finish yours off and I'll do mine next week?
No, because you need to start it. Prove that you've done work.
I've started my work.
That's proof I've done work. I spent 6 hours doing that.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
You copy and paste it off fucking Wikipedia.
I didn't want to do that. Mine's handwritten. Mine's my words.
Mine.
My words.
Look.
Yours is in Wikipedia. Plus my writing's smaller than yours.
Look, just read the first paragraph.
Paragraph read now.
That
You-
was a fucking fail of paragraph. Read it.
Can you hear me through this?
Yeah, read it.
Do I sound like a dick?
No, you don't. Just hold it.
Vagina boob.
You say vagina boob one more time.
Vagina boob. Yeah. Yeah, you just fuck all.
Vagina boob.
Oh fuck. Right. After that escapade. Right.
Fuck, my piercings come out.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Have any of you noticed it gone?
No.
No.
You got noticed a little disc in my nose gone.
Can you just...
No.
Look, I need to find it. It costs £6 to replace.
Oh.
It's a lot for a piercing.
Oh, Barbara Ann. I knew he'd do it straight away.
Yeah. There we go.
That tricked me. I thought it was it. It wasn't.